Upon successful initialization, the card status will change to "in use," and the storage capacity will be displayed. The recorded footage playback can be accessed by switching to the SD card storage view. By default, the camera will record motion detection or event recording. This recording mode can be set according to your needs. You can find this option in the same record list settings, where you can choose between 24/7 continuous recording or event-based recording. After you have successfully configured the Wi-Fi and added the camera to the EZVIZ app, you can move forward with installing the camera in its designated location. This step is crucial as it ensures that the camera is positioned optimally for monitoring the desired area. Once installed, the camera becomes fully operational. It offers a range of features, including live streaming, which allows you to view real-time footage directly from your smartphone or tablet, regardless of your location. The playback feature enables you to access previously recorded footage, making it easy to review events that occurred while you were away. Additionally, the PTZ pan tilt zoom control feature provides enhanced flexibility, allowing you to remotely adjust the camera's angle and zoom in on specific areas for a closer look. You can access all these features through the EZVIZ app, which works seamlessly over mobile data or Wi-Fi internet connections worldwide.